Hi guys, my name is Kavya Sharma and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing good and I hope all of you guys are keeping safe and your loved ones are safe as well. COVID is not yet over, so please make sure that you're taking the correct precautions, you're wearing your masks and you're using your sanitizers properly, especially in heavily crowded places. Okay, so today I have something new to share with you all. I'm going to start another playlist in my YouTube channel. Firstly, thank you so much to all those who watch my videos, who like my videos, who appreciate my work. The channel growth is slow and steady, and I'm absolutely fine with it. The ultimate aim is just to make poetry, storytelling, and creative writing reach out to more and more people. This is just my way of reaching out to you guys and use it as a platform to create a safe, interesting artistic space. Thank you for all the love shown till now. We will definitely grow and we will definitely reach out to more and more people and add more people to our family. So today, what I am going to start is a short story sharing playlist wherein I will be sharing short stories with you all as well. These will be longish videos, so you'll have to sort of make some space and time for this. And the short stories will be both in English, in Hindi, in English, whatever comes naturally to me. So I have a few collected right now. I'm gonna share with you guys those stories slowly and steadily. And do let me know in the comments if that's something that you enjoy, or do you enjoy poetry more. But I'm just trying my hand and trying different things so that not just to satisfy my own passion but also to reach out to you guys. So today is the day wherein I'll be sharing my first short story with you all. I hope you all enjoy it. If you do, let me know in the comment section. That would mean the world to me. I always say that. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna read it from my laptop, so I'm gonna keep on looking down. So, because obviously I can't memorize stories. This one is called Brown Girls from the East, and I wrote this story while I was doing my master's in England. It's an old story, I think I wrote it 3 years back, and it's really short. So, let's get started. Will you come to my marriage? That's a scary proposition, Tara. It was just weeks after I met Sarah, the petite, familiar looking individual I mistook as an Indian in the freezing cold of England, that I started addressing her as Dara, having stolen Dara Singh's name. Funnily enough, exactly the opposite of how she looked. Sarah was about 2 3 weeks late for the classes. The first time we met was in Professor John McGregor's class on the online writing class. As usual, I was the one to enter the class first. Only about 3 minutes later, Sarah entered. Sustaining the similar kind of complexion, wavy hair, and tone, she said, "Hi." In my 3 weeks in England, ever since classes have started here, Sarah was the first familiar looking face I saw. Indian? I asked her, overexcited to have found a long lost friend in a foreign land. No, I'm from Pakistan. I do not know why, but I went quiet for about 30 seconds or so. Ha, don't worry, you're not the first person to have mistaken me for an Indian. Sarah chuckled. Hey, I know, right, man? We guys look so similar, I said. Just that women in Pakistan are a lot prettier, Sarah chuckled. You're the first Pakistani I've ever met, and I really don't think I'll meet another, at least not in my home country. Yeah, sure. People from either side would hardly risk their lives crossing the border, she answered. Do you speak Hindi? My questions and excitement got lamer with each passing second. No, I speak Urdu, she laughed. Shit, I'm so sorry. Can you write down your name in Urdu for me, please? Yeah, sure, she replied. I remember how Sarah wrote her name. My name is Sarah Riaz in her mother tongue. I wrote the same in Hindi. It's so funny how two languages can sound the same and yet the scripture is so different. While in 2 years of college she never deterred from Pakistani daily soaps are much better than the Indian ones, to me sticking to Indian cinema is so much better than the Pakistani one. From sharing kheer on Diwali to cooking sheer khurma on Eid, from tum to tu, from pre-independence to post-independence, from Arijit Singh to Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, and finally from war to less war. Sarah and I became the brown girls from the East. Thank you. So this was it. This was just a short story and emotion. It's totally real. The characters are totally real. And this is a true story. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Take care. Goodbye. See you with the next story.